So this is the issue for the air conditioning, was froze up the evaporator because of this filter was plugged, so there's no airflow. Change the new board and found this mice in there. Oh, there's something water there too. Water. An old board was hoop pop up there, huh? There's water in the blower motor. Well, right. Cool. The water is gone under the blower. It's the air conditioning there is frozen. The filter was plugged. There we go. Looking for the arrow, facing towards the blower. There, just like that. All right. Things close. There, I turn the switch on. Right there. Furnace is running, ready for the winter time. Awesome. There's some air conditioning there. Yeah. There we go.